Good morning, guys. Version 4. The difference here is I've actually printed the nose weight as part of the print rather than a separate item. The only thing is I've got to adjust that to make sure I get the centre of gravity right. Well, good morning, guys. Bright sunny morning. I say morning, it's still just morning, it's about 11:45. So we're up to version 4. Difference between version 3 and version 4 is version 4 I'm actually printing the nose weight as part of the plane. Printed it last night and it was still a little bit tail heavy, so I had to add a little bit of weight to it. So this is today's version, slightly longer nose weight. See if that will do the job. Need to bend the tail up a bit. Just doing it against my nail to force it to bend. So it's our V tail, and then the wing. I'm bending it just here. When I'm happy that this actually works, or if I'm ever happy it works, then I will make the files available if anybody wants them. But at the moment, because I'm still working on it, I don't see any point in making them public. Right, so there we go. Oh, and the other thing I did was bent the tail up a little bit. Give us a little bit of up elevator. Don't want to do it too much because that probably will snap. If it snaps, it's not a problem. You can glue it. Super glue works well on PLA. That's just got a little bit of a up elevator on it. So, what's going to happen this time? Okay, we've got our wing covering. Oh, no, we haven't. We've got a gap just there. Let the excess strip off. Right, so let's see if it works. I'll move the camera. Hopelessly tail heavy there, I think. Right, I've added a little bit of nose weight again. Looks like I've got to make that even bigger. That was much better. So yes, it looks like I haven't got a big enough nose weight on there yet. Perfect. Okay. Beautiful. Because it's so small, the camera's not going to see it. I think that'll do for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.